welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't uploaded a video in a while, but today is a special day because we are opening BTS's winter package 2021. And this video, I've been waiting to do this video because supposed to arrive and you ordered it when? January? Really? She ordered it in January and it just arrived and it's April na. So we're super excited to open it and yeah, we'll unbox it with you guys. And if you have been watching my videos for a while, you've noticed, or you might notice, 2 videos of mine where I said she was the ARMY and she had a lot of BTS stuff in her room. And now, the whole room is decorated with BTS things and it's not an aesthetic room anymore. Are you excited?
Yeah!
What
Oh my
did you
god!
say?
I have nothing to say.
Oh, we're also wearing purple today to match the winter package and we're on the phone with our
Cousin.
Kulto. So, yeah, BTS group.
Let's do
She
this!
will do the honors because my sister paid for this.
Thank you
We're
for
just sapin-sapin. So, we're really excited who we're gonna pull.
So
The
big.
PC, and it's really big. How much did you get it for? 2.7, and she got it from
Soul Shopper.
Soul Shopper.
On
Thank you,
Instagram.
Soul Shopper. Okay. Wow!
Here it is.
It's actually really big. Wow, pwede di masulod yung laptop.
Yeah, I think so. Kaya go sa ang laptop there.
Ano is it? It says
Wow,
right
you just
on.
opened it like that?
She just ripped it like that.
Easy.
Oh, there's one.
The plastic
Okay.
is ano.
Wait!
Okay.
I wanna know this.
Eh, ano
Wait,
ba
ano
yung-
na pwede? Di ma-open. This one also. You can put the PC here, get that. So it says winter package in Gangwon, and then you
Army.
can put the photo card here.
Wait, wala pa na ang...
Wait, before we see who the PC is, you want it to be Jin.
Is
of
it there
course.
na?
I think it's
wala pa.
No, I just wanna say I want it to be Jungkook. So go.
Jimin.
V and Jimin.
Whoever.
Also
Tay,
Tay.
gusto mo man,
Pero
Tay,
any
Tay, Tay,
pwede man Hobie or
And
Yubi.
then-
Anybody actually. We really don't care. Oh, manasa nga mo yung
scared.
essentials, but
Okay. So first, ano ni?
Oh,
I
it's
don't
the
know what this is.
It's the like the what's that thing? Ang gama na bilang picture.
Oh, palaba.
Open it.
Later.
This one is the, okay.
Another...
The Velcro stickers that you can
Protect the
pin it.
Oh,
Yeah.
ano yung PC?
Wait,
It's
is
the,
it?
ano, it's the...
It's the big
yeah,
PC?
Yeah. No, it's the film one.
Oh, okay. If it's the film
Is
one,
it the
it's the
same?
same, I think.
I don't know.
I think it's the same.
Wait, I'm scared.
Okay. Dili butang sa to
Okay,
nga.
okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Jimin! Cute! Jimin! Is it the same?
Yeah, I think it's the same. I think it's the same.
I don't know. Yeah.
It's their, it's all of them.
Oh, okay. It's all of them.
This one, it's all of them.
I don't know.
Oh, just open it later.
Yeah, we'll open it later individually.
Okay, this is the
CD.
DVD. Making DVD.
Ooh! Is there group
Wow.
photo? Yeah. Is it 2 or is it back to back?
I think
it's
yeah.
Nice.
And then that.
So nice. Oh, it's inside.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Wait, can we use this for the laptop? It's so
I'll
cute.
use this for the lamp.
It's so cute.
You have to stick this one.
Actually, yung mamala na ako niya, the insides. Oh, this is the photo book pala. It's the photo book. It's quite heavy. It's like a libro.
It's
Gitna
thick.
nga dako. Yeah, it's thick and heavy. Okay. Wow.
Is it
Feeling ko
there?
si Jimin. I know it's Jimin
Is
here.
it Jimin na?
I think it's
Is it
Jimin.
the same?
I think it's the same.
Ay, hindi pa.
Ay! There's another picture daw mo.
Tama pictures!
Oh, this is worth it. Why are you doing that slowly?
I don't even
Armies
know
are
it.
gonna get mad at you when you hold it like that. No?
Oh.
Oh! Oh! Did you see it?
Yeah.
It's Jimin?
Yeah.
Cute!
It's Jimin! Cute!
Why are you doing that? Oh my god, it's Jin's face though.
Yeah.
Wow. Wait, we have Jimin photo
Photo
card.
We haven't pulled any Jimin yet.
Yeah.
So, first time.
Here. Right there. Okay, so we'll open this one.
I'll just open this.
I'll open this.
Sure.
We have 7 photos. Oh my gosh, there's no backing. Ay, wow, Fujifilm. Gid as in literal siya like 3 ano nga 3R or something. I think it's like developed photos. We have as in gid like picture gid siya nga pwede mo picture frame.
Imprint mo.
Yeah. That's Yoongi, and then here's Jin.
Oh, wow.
Diba?
Yeah.
It's like picture, gito siya, oh.
Like we can put it in the frame.
And then Hobie.
Ano na yung aesthetic? Tadi sa bong?
Wala.
And then Jimin. Ano si Tae? Why is he hiding his face?
Yeah.
Nakatabo niya tsura. Oh, JK!
JK!
And Namjoon's. Oh, okay. Accordion.
Oh.
Accordion. I've been looking for that word since kanina pa.
Drawing. So that's all that.
Okay.
Yahoo!
Wow.
Hello,
There's
gusto ko
back-to-back.
kay
It's
JK.
back-to-back.
Goblin ang sa
Yeah,
piyak.
goblin na sa piyak ang ipiyak sa snow. Ah, muling kakapyot sila sa camera.
Ah, yeah.
But we've already seen the winter package, like, na video, na DVD. So, we know where it's from.
So if you haven't yet, watch the video first.
Watch the video first. Jiminchi! Wow, this is so cute.
Gab, if you're seeing
Ah, it's
this.
double. It's not back-to-back. It's double.
Double picture.
Yeah.
Gab! Gab!
Shout out.
Gab! If you're seeing this, I know you want to trade. Okay, let's put Jimin here. Where's Jimin?
Ah, yeah. We'll put Jimin.
Pinas Jimin.
Open the photo book. First is chapter 1, Winter Darkness, and then chapter 2 is First Spark, chapter 3, Second Flare, Third Flame, and Winter Light. Okay. Wow! Hamot magazine, gidya? Namjoons!
Wait,
Yung girls!
Dati si Bea.
Wow! Jinshi?
Jinji? Jungkookshi?
Jungkookshi?
Ah,
Ano
wow.
sila?
Magpapo kay Faye.
Kyoshi!
Gani, wow. Pari, chapter 2. Wow!
Coco!
There. Jinshi. Cute! Hala, hindi sila pwede mag-isi. Oh! Hindi sila pwede mag-isi.
Oh, dakot.
Nami, gidi ang mga mo niyo. I like it. Wow! So cute! Yeah, pwede niya mag-isi. Nami, pwede gisi o nasa ipalibot sa kwarto.
The quality.
Yeah, look at that.
So, mabakal na to sa mods.
Yeah, Mods concept photo.
Leon may come back again. CD naman.
Ah, CD sila, text nila.
Oh.
Ate, sige. Wow.
So nice.
2021 winter package, everyone. Okay. Oh! Oh!
Ah, this one, I like this one.
Yeah!
Wow.
Cute sila!
Yeah. And you know, nila yung tangerine.
Ay, aba. Oh, this one. Cute!
Wala niya gawa sa ano daan.
Yeah, wala gawa sa ano.
My goodness.
Oh my gosh, pwede wallpaper.
Nami!
Show them.
Here, look at that. Dude, Nami, siya. Wala sila poster. Ano man? Tali may poster sila.
Right.
Ang mga logs nila, wala ka rin nadala.
Whoa.
Gani.
Whoa.
Sila mo, sige wala ako. Niya nga daw feeling. Kaya si Namjoon sa ako nga.
Cracker.
Do, ang butang.
Okay.
But yeah, that's it. Why na anything else?
No.
Why na, tapos na.
Let's take a
Wala
look
na may
at
secret
it.
package, pwede? Sure. Wala na.
It's like, it says winter something.
It's so
But yeah, we're gonna be watching this one later.
Minsuga. Look, dumpling
Okay.
siya.
Mm.
Minsuga.
Gin ng
Gin.
light. Or ano ni?
fish cake.
Fish cake.
Fish
yeah,
cake.
yeah. Jimin.
V.
Jungkook.
Hindi lang na joke.
Coffee.
Kobe. Yung ano.
Burger. Buy it.
You should.
I don't know if it's still.
If it's still available. No, I think it's sold out now.
Yeah.
It's hard to get a winter package. But Maya lang, I convinced her. At first, she was like, should I buy? And I was like, no na. Pero I wasn't in army that time pa. December pa, I think. You were telling me you wanted to buy. And I was like, no, don't buy. It's not worth it. Pictures mo lang nila and stuff. But then, when I became an army, I told her, yeah, you should buy it. Because it's gonna be worth it to see their pictures. So she bought it and it's worth it. It's worth it. And look at that! Gusto ko ng accordion ka namin sa inang
Dito na yung star.
Yeah, I don't know where we're gonna put it, but...
I think we're just gonna put it back here
No!
inside.
Pero namin, hindi ako daw ito picture frame. Tapos isa-isa sila.
Ano naman mo?
We don't have space in our room anymore. Like, damo lang sa mga BTS things everywhere. And it's hard to place it na. But yeah, I think we should buy a shelf.
Yeah.
Or a table. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as
Extra
we
person
did.
here.
Huh?
Extra person.
Coco is here sa dalom. Go pasapak.
Coco!
But anyway, thank you so much for watching. And please, I hope you welcome us to the BTS Army. Nakapila na kami kapula, naging army. 4 months. Kami, kita dua. January, February, March, April. 4 months.
Yeah.
4 months na.
First week of
And
January.
ikaw, September siya. But yeah, so this is our lives now. And I will be posting more BTS content, maybe.
On her
On my YouTube.
Instagram.
Wala na ako ng YouTube. Subong din akong makeup
Opening.
and fashion. This is the first BTS video. And kung mag-abot, kumorder kami sa concept, Mods concept nga photo book.
Yeah.
We're gonna unbox it again. Actually, yung B Essentials dapat we unboxed it last time, pero like ganda rin na kami, so wala na kami ka-makeup and all that. But we unboxed it on my dump account. But
1, 2, 3, go. It's the damo. Wait. Ay. Ano yung mga difference?
yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I will see you in my next video. Bye! Hey! Kim Namjoon! Kim Seokjin!
Ay.
Bye guys! Tama na ako na.